Okay, so the Haloview BT10 with TPMS, it's going to come with a new camera and the unit which attaches directly to your rear view camera. Again, you have TPMS feature. You can do up to 32 tires, 1080p, water resistant camera, 2 channels. So this actually has a front facing camera as well. So a dash cam. Really good night vision. It does recording and it does picture-in-picture. So let's open up the box. Okay, opening it up, you got your user manual. The camera is your standard BTC 128W. It's a hardwired camera. And then here's the user manual for the touchscreen, TPMS, and rear view mirror or rear facing camera. All right, right here is your 128 camera. And that is your standard Haloview camera, again, hardwired. You got some mounting options. Your antennas, you have 3 antennas, 1 for the camera and 2 for the monitor. Here are your TPMS sensors in the box, 4, which is good because I have 4 tires. All your wires, cables, and all that stuff is ready to go. Easy crimp, super easy install. And in fact, you'll notice on the camera, depending on what your system looks like, this is a plug and play. And the way we have it set up on our Montana, it's definitely ready to accept that camera right there. Just a plug and play system. And then you have your new monitor, which looks nice. It's got all your buttons on the bottom. Look at all that. Speaker. There's your dash cam right there, adjustable. And then easy mounting feature where it just straps right onto your existing rear view mirror. So then, depending on the size of your trailer, you've got these 2 relay boxes, and these relay boxes are for your TPMS. If your axles are really far away from the truck, you're going to need both of them like ours. If it's not, well, then you could probably just use one. Go ahead, check the manual and all of the things that you need. It even comes with batteries. So you are good to go right out of the box with everything that you need directly from Haloview.